Attention. Standard is attention. With great respect and well-regard, respected directors sir and principals sir, hardworking teachers and my loved brothers and sisters, I wholeheartedly welcome you all into this wonderful galaxy. My name is Umama Muskan from 5th class and I am going to host the morning assembly for today. It's time to begin our school assembly. I would like to invite Manogna Tanvika from class 2nd. Please come forward and lead us with the national song.
Close your eyes, join your hands, let us sing Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubharam, Shubharam, Narayana Sitaram, Shashashamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vahudram Doishnam Kulahitayamini, Kullakusumita Sumadara Shobhini, Swamini, Sumadura Vashini, Sukadam Bharadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
A place where to display our heartful respect and affection towards our dear country. So I request Anok to come forward and lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of each state and rich heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in never being Members Party alone lies my happiness.
Some thoughts are so powerful that it can change our life. So for sharing a positive thought, I call upon Chaitra.
Come here.
Good morning, respected directors, sir, principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Chaitra. I am from 5th class. Today thought for the day is తల్లి తోడు రారు, తండ్రి తోడుండరు, తోడబుట్టు వారు తోడు రారు, తోడు నిలుచు విద్య తుది శ్వాస వరకు, వీరభద్రు మాట వెలుగుబాట. అర్థము: మానవునికి తల్లి తండ్రి తోడబుట్టిన వారు చివరి వరకు తోడు ఉండరు. కానీ విద్య మానవుడు మరణించే వరకు విద్య మాత్రమే తోడుగా ఉంటుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Never stops and knowledge never ends. So to make us learn new knowledge, here comes Aradhya for class 5th to present today's GK questions to us.
My name is Aradhya. I am from 5th class. I am going to ask GK questions. మైసూర్ ప్యాలెస్ ఎప్పుడు నిర్మించారు?
When was Mysore Palace built? You know the Mysore Palace? Did anyone went to that Mysore Palace? Did anyone went? 1912.
కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్.
Every day is a special, but some days are important. For today, importance I call upon Jayanti Himaja.
Good morning. morning, respected director sir, principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Himajasri. I am from 5th class. Today's importance is Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on July 26 to pay tribute to the bravery of Indian soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice for the country during the Kargil War of 1999. This event marks the conclusion of the Kargil War between India and Pakistan. Today we remember the 527 soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice for our nation. Their bravery and dedication are etched in our hearts and minds. Let's pay homage to our braver heroes for 2 minutes.
Birthdays are a special affection for each and every person. Today is our Kakatiya Smart Kids. Manasvi and Fahad celebrate his now let's all join together in singing the happiest birthday song ever. Happy birthday to